Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today we have another FJ Cruiser focused video. If you guys are new here or don't know who I am, my name is Apollo and I just like to create videos about significant events in my life so that I could look back at them in the future. So for today, I will be doing the side mirrors on my FJ Cruiser. This is the only thing right now on the FJ that is silver or chrome. If you guys have not watched the previous video, I actually did the AC extension mod, which allows the water from the AC to not directly drip on the frame. So if you're interested in that, click on the link to watch that first. But for the side mirrors, let's get into it. Quick disclaimer, if you guys hear any knocking or noise in the background, I apologize in advance. Those are actually the shop's new bigger ceiling fans. They have a little bit of noise, and if there's a little bit of noise from outside, that would be the car wash outside of our shop. So I apologize in advance and please bear with me. So these are the actual mirror housings. I got it from A1 Auto. Then I have here SUMA Performance glass, so I'm also replacing the glass as well. This is the more convex or concave glass that helps with the blind spots. This also has the side marker indicators as well as the defrost that I will be tapping into. And then lastly, I also have the new lights from Freedom Outfitters. Unfortunately, I think they did close up shop, but got these already ready from earlier this year. So I will be replacing the mirrors with their, I believe it's called V2 mirror light kit for the side lights of the FJ Cruiser. And then Lance is here with me. He's actually the one who handed me the boxes. He's here to hang out and help out. I don't know if I need much help, but he's here if you guys are wondering who handed me the boxes. This is also actually my first time to be working on electrical on my car. This is actually my first car that I've done work on. So please bear with me. If you guys have any suggestions or notice anything wrong that I'm doing, please let me know down in the comments. But I will be watching a couple YouTube videos as I go as well to guide me in this installation. And I will make sure to link them down in the description. So first thing I want to do is I actually want to set up the new mirrors first, basically install these in, as well as the SUMA Performance glass. So for the KC lights, what I did was plug these in already. And then you don't need a soldering iron. This is just me. Like I said, this is my first time doing electrical. I had the soldering iron around. I just actually repaired my mouse. So I had it laying around and I will be doing these after. So time to connect the module to these two wires with this. And basically what you would need to do for this is shrink it. And this silver thing in the middle is solder as well. And we will just need a heat gun for it. But what I want to do is twist them together already, add a little bit of solder directly on it, and then even add this after that. Just to be extra safe, like I said, you don't have to do this. This is just my preference. So guys, I was able to get these on already, plug that in, solder these in, so you guys can see right there. So I was getting ready to show you guys this on the actual mirror, but my 1A auto mirrors actually failed me right now. And it's gonna be a bummer because I do need to find different housings. So when I decided to take these off, the glass off, I noticed that because usually when you take the glass off, you would want to insert a flathead screwdriver and twist so you could take the glass off the OEM mirrors. But in this case, they were only held by 4 clips. And what sucks is I could not even mount the SUMA Performance glass because it only supports the OEM mounting. You guys could see the 1A auto glass is different, having only 4 clips to hold it in there. And then this is basically SUMA Performance's glass mounting. It basically is the OEM fitment, and like I said, this mirror housing is actually okay if you don't plan on replacing the glass, but in my case, we'll have to delay this project by a couple days. So I will have to order or find a replacement for these that are black. And I could not return these anymore because I have purchased these a while back. If any of you want to buy this from me, you could email me or comment down below for the black replacement. If you guys will not replace the glass at all, I will be selling these. I never use them, so probably a little lower. But the 1A Auto, just so you guys don't make the same mistake that I did, 1A Auto FJ Cruiser black mirror housings will not support any of the glass replacements because usually the glass replacements come in the OEM mounting method. So I will have to cut this video short. You probably will see me, the next clips would probably be another day when I actually find a replacement. So good thing I did not get started with disassembling the actual FJ yet, such as the door panels and all that. I wanted to get the whole replacement mirrors and housing and KC lights all mounted together first before I did that, which I guess I'm thankful because I did not spend the whole day disassembling and then learning that it won't work. So what my plan is, I will be looking for the part number, hopefully, for the Trail Teams Edition mirrors, which come in black from factory. I think I found some of the codes. I will be giving another update for it, but let's go order different mirrors. As I mentioned, I will be selling those out. Unfortunately, I could not return them anymore as my return window has expired already. So yeah, let's go try to figure that out, and we'll be back after this clip.
One eternity later.
Hey everyone, so today we're back from our loss from last week. It's a week later. Hopefully the video and audio quality did not drop that much, but I am now using my phone to record. I figured it's easier to do it on the not like in progress steps of the video. So I will still take probably some shots on the camera for some like the glam shots, but let me show you guys what I ended up going with for the mirrors. So I ended up purchasing Trail Teams Edition mirrors that come in black already. I did not want to spray paint or wrap this, so I decided to purchase these, and then after the install I will be doing the C4 coating that you guys saw me do in the first video of the FJ, just so it will be protected already and lessen the fade in the future. So I will be doing that. I did end up, like I said, purchasing these Trail Teams Editions mirrors. If you guys are interested in buying these too, I will put somewhere in the screen the part numbers. And as you guys can see, I already prepped it out a little bit, and I will be putting in the description down below a couple of videos that I followed as a guide to how to install everything I'm doing right now. But you guys could also follow me if you guys need specific steps in doing that. You could head into the description to follow those and make sure to subscribe to them because they have been very helpful with this install. This outer housing right here comes off. You have to take off that screw, and the last one right here. You have to push this tab down and then it comes off. Basically from there you could access the whole mirror. The glass itself comes off with the screwdriver. You want to push this all the way down so that the mirror is facing up. Put the screwdriver through here, twist it, flathead screwdriver, twist it, and the mirror should come off. And then, like I said, I did replace the lights already, so these are not the factory anymore. These are the KC Cyclones, and I got them from Freedom Outfitters. So I already have that installed so that it's just plug and play. The wiring already goes through inside, comes out of the same rubber gasket. They're pretty long because this will specifically cross the dashboard. And so I have them ready for install. So let me show you guys the difference side by side of the OEM glass versus the SUMA Performance. So this is the OEM mirror. Hello. As you guys can see, it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. And then this is SUMA Performance. I am not paid or sponsored or anything by SUMA, but they also have that bluish glare, anti-glare. And as you guys can see from side to side, it's a little bit more convex. So it helps a lot. So let's say that is your, what you could see. If I put that on, as you see this light, you could see it all the way. So It's definitely more convex, has the anti-glare, and then it also has side markers over here. So excited to install that and the KC Cyclone, and let me show you guys what I did to Suna already. Okay, basically what you want to do for the door panel, door card, and then you just have to take out, like I said, I will be linking the tutorials I watched in the video because I am doing this absolutely my first time for everything. So I definitely wanted to do this to learn a little bit more about my vehicle and see its ins and outs, and I think I've been enjoying it so far. So what I did is take out the door panels. I will be removing these. On the other side, it's all ready to go, the bolts and everything. So because you will be feeding the wire from the side mirror, you need to take these off, and then the side mirror is held by bolts. So from there, the wire will come out of here, and it will wire from here to here, inside this rubber channel, underneath the dash, and to the wire harness, if I'm correct, remembering correctly. So that one's all done. Let me show you guys what you need to do on the other side. So that's taken out. As I mentioned, I did loosen that already so we could feed it in very easy. I still need to take the mirror off right here with the 4 bolts. Just 3. And then I need to take out my floor mats because you will be tapping into this. The defrost wire will be under here, and then you also have to take this out. So dead pedal's coming off and this part is coming off so that you could get to where you need to plug in. So as I mentioned, I just took those 3 pieces out. Now I will be removing the mirrors. All right, both mirrors are out. Let's now install the new ones. Before I install the mirrors, before I forget, I almost did. So I have here 2 wires prepped. They are 18 gauge wires. I have them prepped and they all come out here. These are supposed to connect to the mirror's defroster. The mirror has a defrost system that would tap into the rear defrost for your rear window, and it will also defrost your mirrors. So I need to connect these, but like I said, they were flat like this. So my friend Jay, thank you Jay, recommended this from Amazon. I could link that in the description below. So I just need to crimp these to this, and then we should be all set and install the mirrors from there. All right guys, this is installed, bolted in. And I just wanted to point out that your wires, so these are, I have 4 wires coming out. Make sure that they go through that pillar behind it, or else your window would not go up anymore. So just make sure that it goes behind that pillar and around like this. Okay, I added an extra loop here just in case we need to move our mirror in some way. We could always just use that extra. I routed it here, fished it through the rubber thing, and then three cables need to get fished through the dash and come out on the other side. I took out my glove box, and then the grounds, I already have them connected to this. So it's just stripped at the end and then bolted with the bolt. So let's fish this over there, and then I'll meet you guys on the other side. All routed and zip tied from the passenger side to the driver's side. So I went up over there and then it dropped back down here. And then this is where we are going to tap the turn signals. So pink, I believe, is passenger, and white and blue is driver's side. So again, I will link the videos I followed in the description. So now I will just need to tap all the positives to the turn signals, and then also tap the defrost positive wires to the defrost. So let me go do that real quick. Hey everyone, I hope you guys could hear me through this wind and rustling of the bushes behind me. It's a very windy day today, but that also means it's a little cloudy, so perfect lighting to take some footage, video photos. And I was not able to create an outro after the install right away. I had somewhere else to be after the install, but it's been pretty good. Pretty good of a mod that I've done. I'm really happy about how it turned out. So let me show you guys how it looks. So that is it for today's video. If you guys are interested in doing this mod, I highly recommend it. It's a little bit more work, a lot of work for just side mirrors, but I am very pleased with the end result. Very happy with how Suna turned out. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions, comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if to show more support, I would appreciate if you subscribe to see more of FJ Cruiser videos. Always remember to keep innovating and stay hungry, and I'll let you guys enjoy some more B-roll shots of the lights and the FJ.